You can run Digital Poly Reader online, obviously from the website www.digitalpolyreader.online, but you can also download all the components for offline use, and it will be fully functional offline. To do that, go to this button over here. This is the Install Components for Offline Use. Select all the components that you want to install. I normally just select all of them because I use most of them, and hit OK. That will give you a message that DPR is now installing for offline use, and you can continue to use the software while it's downloading. It will give you a notification once it's done. There's also a progress bar that will show you how the installation is progressing. If you close the browser or get disconnected from the internet, you won't lose any data that you've downloaded. Just go to the download button again and select all the components that haven't finished downloading, and it will complete the job. Once it's finished downloading, you can use all the amazing tools inside DPR offline.